Hey, what's going on? So if you're paying attention, you'll notice the garage looks quite a bit different. That's actually because we've moved. I was renting the last place that I was in. This is mine now. So this will be the main shop. There's some other outbuildings and you'll see that eventually. That's not what this video is going to be about. But I just wanted to let you know since we're kind of in a different environment here. But today's small little project is going to be a shifter. If you watch the BMW video, you notice that the shifter pulled off. That actually wasn't the only time it did that. It did that 2 or 3 times over the course of the weekend. So I went ahead and ordered this up from Condor Speed Shop. I have no affiliation with them. They're not paying me or anything. They didn't give me this. I paid for this with my own money. So I just thought this was a really, really cool part, and I wanted to show you guys some kind of party pieces that it has, and then we're going to throw it on the BMW really quick. You're only going to need 2 tools to install it. They are SAE. They're an American company. They're in Florida, so they use standard tools. You're going to need a 3/8 Allen and a 3/32 Allen. Say that 5 times fast. So, really cool feature about this shift knob. Just going to take this little plug out of the top here. It's weighted, so it comes with this rod of, I would assume, stainless. Goes in there. Little plug goes back in, and then there is a little jewel that they include. I'm going to snug this down because I'm going to keep the weight in there. Removable if you want to. You get to choose which jewel you want on the website. So I went with this one for no particular reason. I think it sort of matches the belts. And the belts are already in the car. So speaking of, let's go put this in the car. It's the little things about German cars. Wonderful. This is one of the easiest installs ever. Just pull up on the shift knob you saw in the video. It just kind of comes off. I tried to put some goop in there and glue it on. That didn't work. This is going in the trash. Nice little broken piece. New shift knob. There's a set screw in here. It doesn't really matter which direction it goes. I'm going to put it towards me just for ease of use. Set screw. Next we'll fix the jewel. There's just some double-sided tape here, and now that this is on, go ahead and center it. Nice. Ooh. Fantastic. That's going to be it for this episode. Thanks for hanging out.